Hello guys. Yeah, so in a good mood today. Got my first class degree. Had some period summer school today. Yeah. But today we're tackling another neat code question, and it's gonna be longest consecutive series. It's quite a difficult question to be fair, but it's probably the last one for arrays and data structures. And yeah, let's get right into it. Cool. So, given an array of integers nums, return the length of the longest consecutive sequence of elements that can be formed. A consecutive sequence is a sequence of elements in which each element is exactly one greater than the previous element. These elements do not have to be consecutive in the original array. Must write an algorithm that runs in O n times. Example, you get 2, 24, 10, 3, 4, 5. So the longest is 4. That means the sequence is. So you order it and then, okay, so it just says right here. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can assume that it's going to be ordered for us. It's not bad. And so yeah, so we wanna get the longest basically number of sequence, like cool. It's not really that bad. Like I think we can solve it. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is that we are not going to be working with dupes, so we can set to a, let's do it like this because I know you guys like this. Set to a, we can set the hash set. So yeah, so we just say hash set in, because that's what we're working with. Say numbers, and it's going to be new hash set in, and numbers is alright. Instantiate that within, and you'll be fine. Right. So so what else would we need to do? So we want to return a number, so we have stored the longest sequence. So we say in longest seq 0, right? For in I, because I is greater than nums dot length, and we just say I plus. Right, so now we check that. Okay, cool. So 2, 4, 5. How do you know when it starts? So you know the start of the sequence if there is no number that is smaller than it. So what does that look like? So because this is a good thing, because we work with a hash set, we get a lot of properties, like a lot of functions we can use that contains, which is really important in this case, because just do something like this that contains, and then we say nums I minus 1. So smaller than it, literally just like, so 2 minus 1 is going to be 1. Is there a 1 in our list? No. Okay, so we can say it's a start. Right. So then from there we can safely instantiate the length. Not instantiate, initialize. This is a guy saying instantiate. And then we wanna say, whilst there is a number at one bigger than, we say that it is a ongoing sequence. So while numbers dot contain nums I plus our length, you can say that we're just gonna do length plus equals 1. Why do we do this? We want to keep the sequence going. Do I have them? No. Yeah. Right. So now we say, okay, cool. So we iterate through, but now we have to check, is this actually the new longest sequence? Because you see, we're basically we're gonna do this. So longest sequence, we're gonna really use the variable longest sequence is equal to math.max. We're comparing the length against the longest sequence, see if it's actually the right variable. And because it's within this if and the for loop, it's just going to consecutively go until we like it's going to consecutively reloop. So if there's a new sequence with math.max, it's going to give us a new longest sequence length and so on and so forth for that specific array of numbers. And then we can just say return longest sequence, and that should work. See if the test cases. Drink a cup of tea like on a British man. What? Why is my code not working? 3, 4. Why are you not working? That's very interesting. We're off by 1. What did we do wrong? So wow. Numbers contains. We initialize the length, the right area. We initialize the longest sequence, the right area. We do the math.max while. Yeah, that's perfect. But what is the problem? Because we're doing. It's defensive coding, guys. While numbers does not contain, then we start. But if it does, why are we starting at? Okay, let's see if it actually passes though. Okay guys, see you in the next one.